Today I am sharing how to turn raw eggs into bouncy eggs. You'll need vinegar, cups, spoons, and eggs. First, gently place the eggs in the cups. Then cover the eggs with vinegar and place spoons on top of the eggs so they don't float. Then watch bubbles form on the eggs as the vinegar dissolves the eggshells. 2 days later, the eggs should look something like this. The eggs will become more transparent and the membrane absorbs some vinegar to make the egg expand. Then gently wash the eggs with water. You might even be able to see the yolk inside of the now transparent membrane. Now you can bounce your eggs. Be careful not to bounce them too high or your eggs might pop.